Ever found yourself staring at your Neon app, wondering, can I actually get this money out and into my regular bank account? You're not alone. It's a question a lot of Neon users have, and today, we're diving deep to give you a clear answer. Neon has become a popular way to manage money, offering a sleek interface and various features. You can receive payments, make transactions, and keep track of your spending all within the app. But when it comes down to needing those funds in your traditional bank account for things like larger purchases, paying specific bills, or just having that familiar access, the process might seem a little, well, unclear. So, let's cut to the chase. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can transfer money from your Neon account to your bank account. Neon understands that while their platform is convenient for many things, having access to your funds in a traditional banking environment is still essential. Now that we've established that it's possible, let's talk about how you actually do it. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on updates to the Neon app, but generally, you'll be looking for a few key options within the app's interface. Typically, you'll need to navigate to a section labeled something like Withdraw, Send, or Transfer. Once you're there, the app will likely prompt you to add a recipient if you haven't already. This is where you'll input your bank account details. This usually includes the bank name, account number, and sometimes the sort code or routing number, depending on your location and the specific requirements of Neon. It's crucial to double-check all the information you enter at this stage. Incorrect bank details could lead to delays or even the loss of your funds, which is definitely something we want to avoid. Take your time and ensure every digit and letter is accurate. Once your bank account is linked, this might involve a verification step for security purposes. You'll be able to select it as the destination for your transfer. You'll then need to specify the amount you want to move from your Neon balance to your bank account. Keep an eye out for any potential fees associated with the transfer. While many digital platforms aim to keep these costs low or even non-existent, it's always wise to be aware of any charges beforehand. Neon's fee structure should be clearly outlined within the app. Similarly, be mindful of any transfer limits that might be in place either daily or per transaction. The processing time for the transfer can also vary. Some transfers might be near instantaneous, while others could take a business day or two to reflect in your bank account. Factors like the time of day you initiate the transfer and the policies of both Neon and your bank can influence this time frame. So, to recap, transferring your Neon money to your bank account is definitely doable. Just navigate to the withdrawal or transfer section in your Neon app, carefully add your bank account details, specify the amount, and be aware of any potential fees or processing times. It's all about understanding the process within the Neon platform itself. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.